If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to remove sediment, chlorine, and iron in city or well water, the SimPure Whole House Water Filter is one of the best options out there. It's durable, offers a steady flow rate, but it's not designed to remove high levels of dissolved iron or harmful TDS. So in this video, we'll test the SimPure Whole House Filter on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage. To see if it's really worth your money, you'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, we have the contaminant removal. The SimPure Whole House uses a three-stage filtration system. The first stage is a polypropylene sediment filter that traps particles as small as 5 microns, like sand, rust, and dirt. The next two stages combine granular activated carbon and a carbon block filter to reduce chlorine, VOCs, and odors, improving both the taste and smell of your water. SimPure also offers KDF filter options to remove heavy metals like iron. They are not NSF certified, but customers have reported no yellow stains in toilets after installation, and even the disappearance of typical sulfur odor from high iron water. When the water was sent to the lab testing, it was found to be free from metals. That said, it's not perfect. SimPure's filters don't use the more advanced KDF 85 media, so they can only handle below 4 parts per million of iron. So if your water has higher iron levels, you'll need an oxidizing iron filter like AIO or manganese green sand. Also, this unit won't remove harmful TDS like reverse osmosis or soften hard water like a water softener. Next, let's talk about water flow rate. The SimPure offers an impressive flow rate of up to 15 gallons per minute, enough to supply a medium or large household without noticeable pressure drops. It's designed for a service life of around 100,000 gallons, depending on your water quality. SimPure recommends keeping your feed water pressure between 25 and 90 pounds per square inch for optimal performance. The system itself is well built and durable, with robust filter housings and high-quality fittings that prevent leaks. But ensure you wrap the dense Teflon tape 15 to 20 times clockwise on each fitting, as per the manufacturer's instructions. Now let's talk about ease of installation. Installing the SimPure is fairly straightforward, but it does require some plumbing knowledge or decent DIY skills. You'll need to measure, cut, and remove a section of your main water line to connect the system. So if that sounds tricky, it's best to hire a professional plumber. The package includes a detailed installation manual, and you also get video tutorials that walk you through the process step by step. During setup, it's smart to add a bypass line. This way, if you ever need to service or replace the filters, you can still have water running through your home. If you notice any leaks after installation, simply switch to a higher quality PTFE tape than the one provided in the box. Once properly sealed, the unit stays secure and leak-free. Now let's head over to ease of maintenance. The filters last around 6 to 12 months, depending on your water quality and usage. Annual replacement costs are about $110 for the standard setup, or around $160 if you include the heavy metal filter. Maintenance is simple. The transparent housing on the sediment filter lets you visually check when it's time for a replacement. For other filters, you can check the pressure gauge. Swapping out filters is quick and straightforward, and SimPure provides clear video guides to help you through the process. Finally, let's discuss customer support and warranty. SimPure comes with a 1-year warranty that covers manufacturing defects. The customer service is generally responsive, though some users have mentioned slight delays in replies. So, with all said and done, here's my key takeaway. SimPure Whole House Filter is a solid, budget-friendly option to remove sediment, chlorine, and small amounts of iron in water, while maintaining a strong flow rate and offering easy maintenance. However, if your water contains high levels of soluble iron or hardness, it's best to test your water and pair this system with a dedicated oxidizing iron filter or a water softener for complete treatment. If you've any questions, comment them down below. And for another useful clean water guide, check out this video next.